The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the centre has tried to bridge the development gap in Bengal for the last 10 years. The Prime Minister unveiled multiple development projects worth 15,000 crore rupees from Krishnanagar in the Nadia district of West Bengal this morning. Mr. Modi said the central government is working to provide momentum to West Bengal's economic growth and create job opportunities. The initiatives included development projects related to railways, ports and petroleum, amongst others. He added that West Bengal acts as the eastern gate of India, and this gate has the potential to become the entry point of development in the east.
पश्चिम बंगाल हमारे देश के लिए, देश के कई राज्यों के लिए पूर्वी द्वार का काम करता है। पूरब में इस द्वार से प्रगति की अपार संभावनाओं का प्रवेश हो सकता है। इसलिए हमारी सरकार पश्चिम बंगाल में रोडवेज, रेलवेज, एयरवेज और वाटरवेज की आधुनिक कनेक्टिविटी के लिए काम कर रही है।